Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another amazing video. And today we're going to cover the 10 coolest upcoming electric pickup trucks. These trucks are scheduled to come out between 2022 and 2024, and they're sure to make a big splash in the automotive industry. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10, 2022 Atlas XT. Are you ready to take your workday to the next level? Introducing the new 2022 Atlas XT, boasting class-leading performance and smart design. This is the pickup truck built for those who don't just talk big but get results. Featuring a huge variety of battery options ranging from 125 kilowatt hours up to 250 kilowatt hour capacity. It can go up to 500 miles on a single charge, giving you more flexibility and range than ever. Plus, the long-range model allows you to power through even the hardest shifts while saving money and emissions in the long run. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, heading out on epic road trips, or hitting a job site near or far away, you'll be armed with a rugged powerhouse of an electric vehicle that won't let you down. The Atlas XT isn't just another electric pickup truck, it's designed for those who never back down from hard work. Number 9, 2022 Lordstown Endurance. Introducing the 2022 Lordstown Endurance, the future of electric vehicles. Whether you're a commercial driver or an everyday commuter, the Endurance is everything you need and more. With its unique in-wheel motors, this electric truck is able to provide unmatched power and efficiency. Working with Foxconn, Lordstown Motors expects deliveries of Endurance trucks to begin in 2022. The Endurance features a powerful battery pack of 109 kilowatt hours to give you up to 250 miles of range while maintaining optimal performance, making it ideal for long-distance journeys. And with its modern design and capabilities, there's no doubt that she'll be the life of any party. The Lordstown Motors Endurance electric truck is designed to be strong and durable enough for commercial use, so it can take on whatever life throws at it. This SUV was engineered for adventure, with its 4 in-wheel motors ensuring nothing stops you from getting wherever you need to go. Experience true power with the Lordstown Endurance, it's simply unstoppable. Number 8, Ford Ranger EV. With Ford committing to make all commercial vehicles in Europe zero emissions capable by 2024, the Ranger EV should be a no-brainer. This leading pickup truck is expected to launch by the end of 2025, and it's sure to revolutionize the game with its incredible features and advantages. You can say goodbye to gas stations because this revolutionary electric truck will bring green performance and power like never before. The Ford Ranger EV promises an impressive range that you can push to your limits without worrying about wasting precious fuel in between. What's more, its powerful motor will give you an unforgettable driving experience each time you get behind the wheel. So, go ahead and drive into the future with the Ford Ranger EV, Europe's best-selling pickup that's now set for world domination. Number 7, Tesla Cybertruck. Take the off-road capabilities and power to a whole new level with the Tesla Cybertruck. With a launch set in 2023, this upcoming electric truck promises to revolutionize driving experiences. Indulge in safety, convenience, and enjoyment as you take this vehicle for a spin. The Cybertruck comes equipped with yoke steering, rear axle steering system, swiveling touchscreen infotainment system, touch-operated door locks, digital instrument cluster, air suspension, and so much more. You will absolutely be blown away by just how responsive and powerful working beneath the hood of this vehicle truly is. It produces 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 2.9 seconds, while being able to travel up to 500 miles on a single charge. Push boundaries as far as they can go when it comes to performance, power, and control, because that's what driving a Tesla Cybertruck is all about. Number 6, Canoe electric pickup truck. For those who live an on-the-go life, Canoe has delivered a game-changing electric pickup truck. This innovative cover design is sure to turn heads with its revolutionary technology and eye-catching aesthetics. Offering 500 horsepower and up to 200 miles of range, the Canoe electric pickup truck is the perfect companion for whatever journey lies ahead. This nimble rig is designed for ultimate versatility and practicality, with a full-size payload of 1,800 pounds and a 6-foot bed that can extend up to 8 feet in length. You can easily carry whatever you need for the job at hand. Who says going green should mean sacrificing power? The Canoe pickup truck offers drivers rear or all-wheel drive options so they can choose what works best for them. Plus, it's built on Canoe's industry-leading multi-purpose platform, offering an 80 kilowatt-hour battery, so drivers never have to worry about whether it has enough juice to make it through the day. Number 5, Alpha Motors Wolf. Introducing the Alpha Motors Wolf, the long-awaited electric truck from one of the leading innovators in automotive technology. With 3 extraordinary model options, this is your ticket to adventure, both on a daily basis and on a weekend getaway. The Wolf offers an impressive 250 to 300 mile range depending on the battery chosen, so you can comfortably speed off down the open highway without worrying about running out of juice. Its top-of-the-line Super Wolf model has a dual-motor system that allows it to achieve 60 miles per hour in an astonishingly quick 6.5 seconds, plus a best-in-class tow capacity of 6,700 pounds. And what makes it even more awesome? Not just its performance, but also its practicality. The Wolf has been designed with versatility in mind, from racks for extra cargo storage, to a host of innovative solutions for making sure your gear is secured no matter where you drive. Number 4. 2024 Chevy Silverado Electric Truck. Looking for a powerful and energy-efficient electric truck? The all-new 2024 Chevy Silverado EV truck is the perfect pick for you. This powerhouse of a vehicle has up to 664 horsepower and can travel an impressive 400 miles on one charge. The Silverado EV packs plenty of cutting-edge technology and features that are sure to make your drive more enjoyable. It includes a 350 kilowatt DC fast charging capability, so you can get back on the road in no time. And best of all, you don't have to wait long to get your hands on this compact yet powerful EV truck. It'll be hitting dealerships during the spring of 2023. With top trims expected later in 2024. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to rev up your roaring engine with the turbocharged 2024 Chevy Silverado EV. Number 3. 2024 Ram 1500 EV. Introducing the all-new Ram 1500 EV, taking truck performance and innovation to a whole new level. For truck drivers looking for superior range and power, get ready to join the electrification revolution. The Ram 1500 EV is built solid with unparalleled drives. It's powered by a dedicated STLA chassis, engineered exclusively to provide you with greater control and torque in any terrain. With 500 miles of range on a single charge, along with 150 kilowatt DC fast charge capability, you can go anywhere, no further stop for gas along the way. No details about the design have been revealed yet, but rest assured that with the Ram 1500 EV's promised capabilities, it has surely got to be one of the freshest trucks around when it hits production in 2024. Number 2. Electric Toyota Tacoma. Toyota is presenting an all-new electric Tacoma. This is the model that everyone has come to expect from Toyota, only better. Tacoma has been dominating the midsize pickup market for over a decade, and it looks to continue its reign with its upcoming electric version in 2024. You won't want to miss out on this truck's sleek modern design, with its closed off-grille design, large tires, and excellent approach angle and ground clearance. You can be sure that it was built for off-road duty. Get the edge, power, and potential to go anywhere without having to worry about gas stations or waiting in lines for traditional fueling. With this era-defining electric truck, you're set to go. So don't wait, it's time you switch off soon and join us as part of the future of driving. Number 1. GMC Sierra EV. Are you ready for the future of the truck world? Introducing the GMC Sierra EV. This totally electrified truck sets a new standard in power and performance, with up to 754 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque in max power mode. Whether you're hauling heavy payloads or just need a reliable ride that can handle your daily drive, this SUV-style electric truck is up for any challenge. And with a max range of 400 miles on a single charge, you don't have to worry about stopping at gas stations ever again. With up to 9,500 pounds of max towing capacity and 1,300 pounds of payload capacity, hauling won't be a problem either. No matter what tough job you set out to do, the GMC Sierra EV will get it done quickly and efficiently. Finally, GM plans on releasing the Sierra EV by early 2024, so don't miss out on getting behind the wheel of this revolutionary vehicle. It may just redefine the way we view trucks forever. That was all for today's video. We'll be back with more amazing EVs in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.